Your viewers, your subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. Your people, there, and I read through and I see this thing and decide say, newlink production have to talk about it when I see it. Can you believe, people? This man, right? He's in the UK for 52 years. I understand? 52 years. And he is right now on the verge of getting deported from the UK. He don't do drugs. It's not like he caught the drugs. It's not like he was fined with guns or he go to prison or he do no criminal activities. Nothing like that. You understand? But he's on the verge of getting deported from the UK. Alright, people. Yeah, the news, the man here, he got to the UK when he was 8 years old. You understand? Now he is 60 years old. So he's there 52 years, and that's where he spent all his life from 8 to 60. You understand? Now, this man is on the verge of getting deported because they have a law in the UK, right? The law is if you're in the UK from 1979, I guess, yeah, 1979, up to now, you is eligible to live in the country and not get deported. But you have to show proof of that you are there from such time before, like documents that can show that you are there. But the thing that failed the man is he can't find some of the paper to show that, hey, I was here, that and that. But my thinking is to the whole story, you know. It is such rough and so mess up. You know, if you know you spend 52 years in a country and you're on the verge of getting deported. No, because the man say he's a painter and a decorator. And the way them angling, because at first they lock him up, the detention center, that's the immigration detention center, them they take him there when them do some bus like to get out people for deport out of UK. Them take him out there, them have him there, you understand, at the detention center, and then them buy a ticket, they put him on the plane. So you see it was by on the plane, but then like the lawyer them do something and them get him off. You understand? So him name but I get to go up on the plane for go back Jamaica. But now the man I say him still worried because him don't know the move where them are gonna make right now, and him not comfortable, him not happy. So there's a lot to this thing here, you understand? And the man is there, he brings his seven children, he managed to bring them to the UK. You understand? So that's where they're living and thing right now. And if you know that them as the kids, if you know that them daddy, they are UK from, he might want to look a pitney, them bring them come over there, right? And now them I go see them daddy they get deported. Yo, how that look? Me as the kids, you know, me that feel so messed up. And so what me have to say is, you know, them not have things in the system. If the man stays so, cause the man house could burn down, something could happen, anything. You understand? Them not have things in them system can show the record say the man they in the place from that time there. Instead of, you understand? People, I always tell a man this, you know. I always say this. You see, there's no home than your home where you're born, where you come from, that are your yard. You see me? No care when you're there foreign, don't rely on your brain and say this is your place, this is your. No care, you understand? Your home is where you're born, a yard. You get what me I say? Because that's their country, They have the laws, the rules, and at any time if they want to say go, you have to go because you never born in a them country. You understand? Which for the years even in the country over there, him don't deserve to get deported still. No. We spend 52 years in one country for you look up. It don't come like say you're born in the country. You see me? But when me I wish the best for the man, you know. You understand? Because right now he must say all the hard work when put out, the help when put out, when do. Because him is a painter and him go around and him paint and him decorate. And him must say all of that when him do. Like it all got to waste. Him not see him accomplishment, him achievement for no say him there on the verge to get deported from the UK, which him not do nothing wrong. It's not like him is a criminal. You have no prison record. No, you understand what I say? So, them the bigger heads them in go report it to the news media them have over the have it and them have put them think about it. The lawyers them have do stuff like that people, but I tell you, I see it happen already. I see it happen before. Cause me know young youth where they are UK from them are like 3, and when them get deported come Jamaica, they don't know now we are Jamaica. They can't speak no patois, no patois. You get what me I say? Straight UK then talk and them get it. Tell us that's their country, that's their rules, their laws. But what me I say is we, right, as the Jamaica government, I wondering if they don't have no system implemented, or even the UK no system implemented where they can track back the record, put it to the immigration center and let them see that this man, so me I say him not pay tax. From the time him there UK don't pay tax. So all the tax records and everything, he never have a medical condition from, cause if him there, you understand, from 1980 something, exactly, how much, 1980 something, he's there from his 8. He's 60 years old now, you understand, because he's there 52 years, you know. He never have a medical condition from like say when he's go there 8 to 20. I mean when them have to do medical in the UK, you tell me so them can't see nothing for track or whatever. Am I mistake? He's not there from 1980 something. He's there before that. You understand? He's there before that. He's there before that. Because he's there 52. He's there way before that. So you tell me so them not have nothing where they can track and see exactly what cause. You get me I say? It's wrong. People, it's wrong. And we have this to say. People, with their foreign country, most of you with their foreign country, my blog, my viewers, my subscribers, listen. See the country where we born, where we come from, our homeland. And me not there Jamaica, right? But me ever have in this say, deso, if anything I deso me I go. And me always never do tell myself say foreign or another country with where me I go spend the rest of my life. Me always say one day me I go back to my country because anything is possible. If your country can get in, just come in with some rules, some laws and everything. You see me? But in this situation you know, it's tough. It's really tough. And I don't know. It's tough. But these are things where we have to learn from young people, big people, old people. We don't keep documents them safe. You see, always have them. Buy some plastic file, something, put them in it. You get me as a sorry, my phone just put them in it. una have to think smart. Because yo, you know nice. You know nice. Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. This is Newlink production. Enough love. Stay positive. Stay safe. Keep safe. Big up blessed people. Mount Newlink production.